We are here at the launch event of CB125 arranged by Honda at Fairfield Marriot in Sector 5, Kolkata. And here we are. Very good. Good food. Soon is going to be a reveal. Lots of new YouTubers are also there. Some famous YouTubers like Vaidik Chatterjee is also here. So we're going to meet him. सौरिक मोटो वर्ल्ड का सौरभ भैया हेलो भाई हेलो
Kolkata, now we are ready. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Go! CB125 Hornet. Woo!
Now let's quickly talk about what I like about this CB125 Hornet at the first glance. So the look of it is really nice and it's much ahead of its competitor like the Rider 125 or the Extreme 125. It's more polished and more refined and will give you a premium bike feel because of that USD golden shocker. Also the headlight is very unique, resembles of the premium Honda bikes like the Hornet 1000cc. Although it's priced a little higher than its competitor, but given the fact that it's coming from Honda, we can expect a better reliability than its competitors. As of now, I cannot say anything about the refinement or the engine performance because I'm yet to test it out. Out of the 4 colors, I really like the black one. It really giving that a premium look. One negative I want to point out is the rear seat. The rear seat is very tiny. Given the fact it's a 125cc and it's a commuter bike, but the rear seat is really short. It could have been a little spacier. Apart from this, the digital meter console and everything looks top notch. The cockpit feel is really nice. You have to sit a little lean forward and that will give you a sportier feel from this bike. So that is all for this video. I will definitely post another video after I get a test ride of it. Till then, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.